Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Ho 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 ho. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh Word of the Day. And today's Welsh Word of the Day, we had a surprise parcel last week. Yes. Now I understand we have had this Welsh Word of the Day recently. I do. But I felt because we had the parcel recently, it was deserving of doing it again. So today's Gair Cymraeg y Dydd is, if I open up this box that I put these things in, and these came all the way from Gogledd Cymru, North Wales. Yes, 9 has sent us some mince peis. Mince peis. Mince peis. Not mince pies. Mince peis. So, remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch. Enjoy. Ho, ho, ho. Hwyl fawr.